If you've been posting videos and your calendar is still empty, what if the problem isn't how much you're posting, but the type of video you're making? I run a content system for coaches and consultants, and I've seen the same pattern over and over again. Good creators, real expertise, solid videos, and yet zero booked calls to show for it. One of my clients actually recently signed a $6,000 client from a single video, not from going viral or from having a big audience, but from one video built in a specific format that almost nobody in the space is using it right now. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what that format is, why it converts, and why talking head videos don't, and the step-by-step process on how to build this format for yourself. By the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to make that one video that actually works as a lead generation asset for your business. So what type of video actually books high ticket calls? It's not talking head video. It's a Loom-style lead magnet format video. And I genuinely haven't seen coaches or consultants doing this, which is exactly why it works. So here's how to build it. Step 1. Create a high value implementation guide as a Google Doc. Pick one specific problem your ideal client has and solve it completely in that document. Walk them through the solution step by step. And please don't hold back on any value. Give everything. The more useful the free guide, the stronger the first impression. And the first impression you want from your viewer is to be this one thought. If this is free, what's behind the paywall? That thought is what moves a viewer toward booking a call. Not your sales pitch, but actual generosity that signals expertise. Now, step 2 is you need to record a Loom-style video walking through the Google Doc. Put a big circle of yourself in the corner. You could do this in OBS, Loom, or whatever works for you, but keep the Google Doc on the screen. Then walk them through it and explain how to implement everything inside it. That video goes on YouTube, and that Google Doc guide sits behind an email opt-in. Now you've got two outcomes from one asset: email captures that go into your nurturing sequence, and direct call bookings from people watching the video itself. Now, because it lives on YouTube, it becomes evergreen, and once it's live, it keeps working over and over. That means you can share it in the DMs, in social posts, share it in communities. The opt-ins and booked calls compound over time. And by the way, if you're watching this and thinking this makes sense, but I'm not sure exactly what my lead magnet should be or where to even start with my specific offer, that's exactly what I help with on a free call. I'll get on with you one-on-one, look at your content situation, and pinpoint the one lever that actually moves the needle for you. This is not going to be a sales pitch. This is not going to be any kind of obligation. You will literally walk away with something useful even if we never work together. The application takes less than 1 minute, and it's a quick form in the description. Once you finish the form, it books you straight to my calendar. Link is down below. Now, going back to the video, there are 3 reasons why would high ticket buyer respond to this style of format differently from a talking head video. If you remember, I said at the start, this is completely different. And the reason why is pattern interrupt. When someone is scrolling through YouTube and sees a Loom-style walkthrough instead of another talking head video, they stop. They think, this is different. I need to pay attention. The visual format alone, the Loom-style, earns more trust before you've said a single word. We call this in editing the purple cow. It just simply stands out. And standing out right now in this space, when trust is so low, where every coach looks the same on camera, is more valuable than it's ever been. Now, reason 2 is educator positioning. You probably heard this before. People don't buy information, they buy the implementation. When you walk someone through a guide, step by step, you're not just delivering information, you're lowering their barrier to actually implementing that for themselves. You're essentially giving them a free taste of the implementation they would get from working with you one-on-one for the full offer. So for a buyer considering a $3,000, a $10,000 investment, watching you walk through a process is so much different from hearing you talk about one. It signals that you can deliver results, not just describe them. That's a completely different level of trust. And finally, the reason three, credibility through simplicity. We actually joke about this in our editing team. Less editing gets more buyers. When someone sees heavily animated, overly produced content, their guard goes up. They start wondering if something is being hidden behind the flash. People who are serious about investment don't care about flying text animations. They care about how well the information is delivered. Heavy production signals content creator. A clean Loom walkthrough signals offer owner and educator. For high ticket buyers, that sole difference matters. One of my clients actually did this. He switched from talking head videos to a Loom-Style lead magnet video. The result? He got 5 times more views, a 5x outlier on his YouTube channel. He captured emails through the lead magnet opt-in for the guide he made. Now, I don't have the exact pipeline numbers because that side is handled by his team, but here's what I do know. One of those leads closed $6,000 from this one video type. His previous talking head videos were well produced. They were clear, genuinely useful, but they didn't produce the same result. And they didn't bring in clients. The different format was the actual variable that was changed. It was the same creator, it was the same quality, but it was different format and completely different result. Now, quick reminder again, if you want me to look at your specific situation and tell you exactly where to start, that free call is in the description. Less than a minute to apply. So here's what you walk away after watching this. One video built in this visual style format, Loom style format, becomes a permanent lead generation asset. It gets views on YouTube, it captures emails, it books calls, and it keeps working whether you post again next week or not. You don't need a big channel. You don't need to go viral. You need one lead magnet video done right, and it will outwork everything else you've posted. Okay, that's it for this one. See you in the next one. Take care.